Deep in the heart of the Magny State Park in Minnesota lies a natural wonder that has baffled scientists and intrigued adventurers for decades. Welcome to Devil's Kettle Falls, a place truly shrouded in mystery and legends. What makes Devil's Kettle Falls so unique? Well, it's not the cascading waterfall itself that captivates visitors. It's actually what lies beside it, an enigmatic phenomenon that's puzzled experts and sparked countless theories. As the rushing water of the Brule River splits into two distinct channels, one side continues its journey downstream, while the other disappears into a massive pothole known as the Devil's Kettle.